Hey,
Get
guys.
hit before you throw it.
Hey, spread out, spread out, spread out. Hey.
I'm gonna need some fire.
Yeah, if you could actually get that in there.
Marshall, you go point. Jamie's gonna throw the net.
Alright,
Go get shot.
Let him get point.
One's already hit. Okay, we got another one. Good, good, good. Good kills. Hey, we're gonna want to move up with these guys. James, just get in there!
Yeah, you dumb fucks. Quit shooting me. Hey, it's unlimited life for the package, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You had 3 seconds to get that the fuck over there.
Did you throw it?
I gave it to him.
You get hit?
I got hit, yeah.
Marshall, do it!
Marshall, throw it!
Got one! One down! Go, go, go!
We won?
Yeah, we won!
Awesome.
Objective clear!
Quick.
Woo! That is a Forrester victory, gentlemen. Hey, Cody, right?
Yeah.
Good game, guys. Good
Got
game.
you guys out.
No! I got a we need fucking ammo. Hey, where did we stop, man? I have no clue.
Let's reload.
That was
right
fun.
here. We stopped right here?
What happened?
No, like a bit right. I like that. That was fun. Look on the ground, guys. Look on the ground.
Look on the ground and we'll look on the ground.
It's big and orange, guys, I think. You're talking about the tornado grenade, right?
Not my radio.
No, he's referring to his mag. He went to reload and he dropped his mag.
Oh, man.
Oh, nice. All right, let's get some.
Hey, James. Where's James? Hey, can you hit the power button again?
Hit power button?
Not the power button, the red one.
Yeah, sure.